Step 9. Complete check-in. This step shows some useful final tasks that may need to be completed for a new tenancy. These are all optional, but your tenants may appreciate them. For example, a fire alarm check and demo, a CO detector check and demo, tenancy start meter readings, a tour of the property and introduction to where everything is, showing your tenant where the stopcock is and providing them with the keys. You can store related documents here if necessary. Click Upload Confirmation Document, select the type of document, choose the file as you've done before, add any label and notes that you require, and click Save. Once you've completed this step, check it off your list.